What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be testing out another product for your car, and this is specifically on cleaning your rims. So we personally like cleaning our cars ourselves, and probably the most time consuming part is cleaning the rims.
Definitely. It takes me like almost, I timed it plenty of times. It takes me about 3 minutes per rim, like 2.5, 3 minutes a rim.
And that's using 2 buckets with sponge. So what I've been seeing on Instagram and sometimes on YouTube, not so much, is brush hero. So from what I've seen, it cleans the rim pretty well at a pretty fast time. So we're gonna be putting this to the test and see if it actually works the way it does in the video. So it doesn't really tell us whether to have the rim wet first, have soap on it, keep it dry. So we're gonna do it every way, and we're gonna see which way works the best.
And we'll be shooting it on my car, my rims, the Avantgarde's M359s, and little hot boy over there, his ESRs, SR01s, right?
Correcto.
See how they come out? Once again, we're gonna try it with just the dry rim, a wet rim, and then probably with soap too. We're gonna try all methods, see which one works the best, see if the product's worth your time. And while we're shooting these videos, this curb wedge back here, it is what it is. Long Island's pothole situation's pretty bad, but I can't say anything enough about that. Let's put the product to the test and see how it goes.
So opening this up, it says it has 2 brushes inside, the softer brush and the tougher brush. I'm not too sure which one will be better on the rims. My guess is the softer brush, but if I can figure this out. Taking this out of the box was not fun. That was quite difficult. So, and here's the tougher brush, which it honestly looks the same, but yeah. The instructions just basically said it was just a parts list of like how it's assembled, and the only thing that I did read in there was how to take on and off the brush. So all you have to do is just pull on the head of the brush and it should just pop right off. And then just to put on the other one, if I can pick it up, is just you push it right back on, the same way you took it off. And that's it. So the hose is now on, it's all attached, and the water is not coming out of it, so seems pretty good so far. It is off. This is the switch. From what I've seen before I've connected it, it has like a few different spots to put it at. It's not just on or off. I think it might be different intensities. So the first method we're going to be doing is the rim rather, is completely dry and it's very dirty. So I kind of don't know what to expect. Alright, that's low, nothing's happening. Oh, alright, that's low, we're gonna put a little higher. And we're gonna go in full blast. Let's see. Full blast, boys. We're gonna go inside here. Oh, this thing has a little bit of torque. Alright, that took about a minute, I'd say about a minute, and it worked really well. And this was starting with the dry rim. What I noticed is to go slowly and don't just like go quickly, because it goes by like this rotation. Like you going quicker isn't gonna make the spin faster. So just take your time and let the brush do the work. So we're gonna go on to his other rims, and we're gonna start with the rim wet. Maybe to get some dirt off first, to see if it changes the result of the brush hero.
Yes, and we don't think soap is necessary. We think that this is working very well, just the water as it is. So we're most likely not going to use soap as a method in this video.
I mean, if you guys want to, you can use soap, but I don't see a problem with not using it and using just the water.
Right now, use that finger. Alright guys, even though this is a how it works or will it work video, we gotta throw in a pro tip real quick. You know how we said we're doing the dry and the wet method, you know? Like wetting the rim, if you're lazy like me right now, you don't feel like walking to the hose, turning it off to put the regular nozzle back on. All you have to do is just pull that off. Now the nozzle's off, no brushes on, and just too hard. Spray it like this. Wetting your rim that way is a lot easier than walking back to the hose and unscrewing everything just to turn it back on. Alright guys, after doing this rim with the wet first method, didn't really make a difference, it just took a little more time. So I would honestly recommend just the dry method, just get it done. It's the same, almost the same time. Wetting it takes a little bit more time, but I think the dry method is the better way to go. They both work the same way.
These rims are mad dirty. Ready? Clean finger.
Wait, show me that finger again.
Clean finger. Dirty finger. Let's put this thing to the test. Hey, clean finger. See what we got here? Aw, yeah, you already know.
Alright guys, I did my 2 rims, Chris did his 2 rims, we took a video of most of it. I'm very impressed with the product, I think it's great. Get the thumbs up for me, check however you want to put it in the books. It worked well. I'm going to finish my rims, he's going to finish his rims. But this was really good. And here I have the coarse brush. I didn't want to use it because the soft brush worked perfect on the rims. So I'm thinking this might be some pro tip appliances here. I might use this later on to clean my exhaust pipes. Since it's a little coarse, it might do a good job cleaning. But once again, this, really good. I think it's worth your money. We'll leave the link in the bio.
It was like 30 bucks, $35, something like that.
Well worth it. Clean rim with some tire shine, it's gonna look valid. But once again, this great tool, I guess you could call it. I recommend it.
Alright guys, pretty much it. Questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, put it down in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we could. But that should be it guys. Peace.